What happens when you unite two leading figures in independent Swiss watchmaking and combine their creative genius with flawless craftsmanship? The outcome is Le Régulateur Time Eater, a whimsical timepiece that introduces a playful, new, and somewhat monstrous twist to Louis Erard's signature design. We are excited to welcome Louis Erard to the Les Ambassadeurs family and extend our portfolio of exceptional timepieces. If you have any questions about this timepiece or about the brand Louis Erard or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Louis Erard timepiece in action and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at our boutique in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, or via our webshop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Louis Erard timepieces, including the Time Eater. Louis Erard is celebrated for its collaborations with other eminent figures in the watchmaking industry, including Alain Silberstein, Vianney Halter, and the Messina Lab. The brand consistently pushes both the aesthetic and technical frontiers of horology without compromising accessibility. One of their recent collaborations with Konstantin Chaykin has reached new heights and led to a finalist nomination at the 2023 Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève in the Petite Aiguille category. Their collaboration saw the merging of their most iconic creations, Louis Erard's Regulator and Konstantin Chaykin's Wristmon, into a singular timepiece that encapsulates the best of both worlds. At first glance, the Le Régulateur undeniably exudes the magic of Konstantin Chaykin, especially with that captivating creature, Liko, a one-eyed monster from Slavic tales, locking eyes with you. But don't let that first impression sway you entirely. Venture a little deeper and you'll find the signature layout of Louis Erard's Le Régulateur design, a nod to its official namesake. The layout of the Louis Erard Le Régulateur laid the foundation, which Konstantin Chaykin used as the canvas to draw the face. The hour elegantly positions itself at 12 o'clock, representing the locking eye. Seconds cozy up at 6 o'clock as the mouth devouring time, while the minute takes center stage, balancing an outstretched finger on one side and horns on the other. The Time Eater is encased in polished stainless steel, topped with a domed anti-reflective sapphire crystal on both sides. At 3 o'clock, you'll find Konstantin Chaykin's signature crown. The case back proudly displays an engraving that reads Limited Edition 1 of 178, imparting exclusivity. The Time Eater comes in two variants, a 42mm model, distinguished by its green hour circle, and a 39mm version featuring a purple hour circle. This whimsical timepiece is powered by the automatic Sellita SW266 1 caliber, operating at a frequency of 4 Hz and a power reserve of up to 38 hours. Through the transparent case back, one can also admire a special open-worked oscillating weight, highlighted by Louis Erard's black lacquered emblem. Adding to the timepiece's inherent quirkiness is a black-toed leather strap. Its unique texture adds depth to its character and lends an exotic touch. The strap also features a rabbit leather lining, and its attachment points are thoughtfully designed to complement the color of the hour circle. The collaboration between Louis Erard and Konstantin Chaykin has birthed a quirky timepiece that's utterly creative and technically impressive. The Time Eater comes in two color variations, green and purple, each limited to 178 pieces and priced at 4,310 Swiss francs. We are delighted to have the Louis Erard Konstantin Chaykin Le Régulateur Time Eater, the latest addition to its excellence collection, at our boutique in Geneva or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any watch on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Which feature did you like the most? How do you feel about the creative touch Louis Erard and Konstantin Chaykin brought to this watch? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.